Take us through the significance of this grandest and most sacred ritual as far as the Mahakumbh Mela is concerned. We talked about the Amrit Snan on the occasion of the Mauni Amavasya. What is the significance of this? Because from what we are hearing is today is the day when they're expecting the maximum number of people that will be visiting Prayagraj, visiting the Mahakumbh. Take us through its significance. And it's everything seems to be going smoothly now, because we even saw Hema Malini take a dip, and she's spoken about that everything went off smoothly and that it was a very auspicious day, and she managed to get that take that holy dip at the Sangam.
Right, yeah. Mauni Amavasya comes according to Hindu calendar in the month of Magh, which is right now. But Mauni Amavasya during a Kumbh Mela, during the Kumbh fair, is considered religiously very important, very sacred. And that's why this belief which has got these people to Prayagraj from all over the country, they want to come and take this holy dip, because it's come after 144 years. And this is one day they don't want to miss out, and this is the very reason that this is the biggest snan of this 45 days of Kumbh Mela. This is the day where these pilgrims take their dips, offer prayers to their ancestors. Mauni Amavasya means remembering to be silent. Maun means silent in Hindi, so it's silent prayers for ancestors. So they come, take the dip, pray for their ancestors and leave. So this Mauni Amavasya, which is falling during the Kumbh Mela, is considered very important, sacred, and that's why this whole belief and faith which has driven these crores and crores of people for today to come and take that holy dip, while
very quickly,
sadhus and the akharas have shown a big heart.
Sikta, very quickly, if you could tell us which are the other significant days in the ongoing Mahakumbh.
So the next snan is on the Basant Panchami day, which falls on 3rd of February, and after that the last snan is on the Mahashivratri day, and that's when officially the Kumbh Mela ends and the akharas return to their permanent ashram. So two more big snans coming up. Basant Panchami snan is another day when the akharas will come out for the Amrit Snan, and then Mahashivratri is a regular snan day where the pilgrims will come and offer prayers to Shiv. Yeah.
Right. Thank you, Sikta, for getting us a sense of the significance of this day.